All right, question number 7. Point P at -5, 0 partitions CD into a ratio such that CP to PD is 2:1. So point P at -5, 0. If the coordinates of C are -9, 6, determine and state the coordinates of D. So we'll have C -9, 6. Okay, so let's see if we can explain this. So for CP, we have a move down 6 units. And then from P to D, we have a move down and we're not sure how far. But we do know that CP, this is the total, and here's the ratio. The ratio for CP 2 to PD 1. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. So something divided by 3 is 1. That number is 3. So that means to get from P to D, you need to go down 3 units. So that means that D is somewhere along here, y equal 3. So let's run the line through C and P and see where we end up here. So the line is not perfect, but it looks like we're ending up here at -2, -3. And let's see if that makes sense. This is a move down 9 and a move right of 6. Yep, it's right. Good. Determine the length of PD, CP, and CD. Okay, so PD, we're looking at down 3 and right 3. So we'll say PD square equals 3 squared plus 3 squared equals 9 plus 9 equals 18. So then to find PD, we need to take the square root of both sides and say PD equals square root of 18 equals square root of, and we see 9 times 2. So then 3 times 3 times 2, and 3 can come out. This is 3 times the square root of 2 units. Now CP. So for CP, wait a minute. So I messed up on PD. PD here, this should be a move right of only 2. So we have 3 squared plus 2 squared. We have 9 plus 4. We have 13 here. So then PD equals square root of 13. All right, now CP. This is a move down 6 and right 4. So CP square equals 6 squared plus 4 squared equals 36 plus 16 equals 52. Then CP equals the square root of 52, which equals the square root of 4 times 13, 2 times 2 times 13, equals 2 square root of 13 units. Then finally CD, that's the entire thing. So for CD, we are down 9 and right 6. So we've got CD square equals 9 squared plus 6 squared. This is the 81 plus 36 is 117. So now to find CD, that equals the square root of 117. This is a tricky one, but this is 9 times 13. So it's 3 times 3 times 13, and 3 can come out. And this makes sense because PD plus CP equals CD. So square root of 13 plus 2 square root of 13 equals 3 square root of 13. All right, in this final stretch question, determine the coordinates of the point that partitions CD into a ratio such that CP to PD is 1 to 2. So that's saying CP to PD is 1 to 2. So that's saying make CP shorter, make PD longer. Okay, so our total and then our ratio, CP and PD. So this says that our ratio for CP should get 1 and PD should get 2. So we know that the entire thing is a move down 9. So let's see here. We'll call this CD. So we know the entire move on CD is a move down 9. So out of that 9, we're going to give some of it to PD and some of it to CP. So 1 plus 2 is 3. We have 3 plus 6 is 9. So now we'll say that the move from C to P is a move only down 3. So we go back where we were here at point C, and now we go down only 3. 1, 2, 3. And this is the level where we're finding P, the new P. And that's at x equal -7 and y equal +3. And you did it, smarty pants. What a blessed relief. You are doing great.